Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is again a tutorial video for how to paint a landscape in watercolors. It's very simple and easy for beginners, and I used a Pinterest image for a reference here. I will link everything in the description below so you can find the reference image. So here again I'm just wetting the paper and blocking in the colors first as per the reference image. Now the blocking in is really necessary because in watercolors once you apply the color you cannot go back. The next color applied on top of it will just mix with the paint and create a third new layer. Don't want that. Right now the first layer is just blocking in all the colors, and I'm trying to get as close as I can to the reference image. I'm using again those 4 colors that I used for my first landscape, which is Prussian blue, crimson red, gamboge hue and ivory black. So just these 4 colors for this whole landscape. So make sure when you apply a second layer that the first layer is again completely dry. So this is just me blocking in the colors for the first layer. It's a very simple landscape with just mountains at the bottom and amazing sky. For the second and third layer, try to use as much less water as possible because we want the colors to pop out. make sure when you remove the masking tape, your painting is completely dry. I'm doing that right now, and that's just it. You have a beautiful landscape. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will continue to make one video every week for such simple landscapes, and keep practicing. I hope you create this, and if you create this, please let me know in the comment section below, or message me on Instagram or Pinterest or wherever you can. So happy creating.